just like last time, we've got our control shingle here. Again, a very typical looking shingle on this roof, on this facet, that we will not be touching, except to brush off now. And once more at the end of the video, we are still hitting the 2 rows of shingles directly above, because per manufacturer guidelines, we'll be breaking the 2 rows of shingles directly above our repair shingle. Get these brushed off. Make sure there's no loose granules. Start breaking these seals with our trusty putty knife. It's broken. Oh, it should be good. You see, we've got some more D-lam on this facet as well. Got 2 more seals to break. Alright. We're still going underneath the shingle to pop these nails out with our flat bar. Material transfer going all the way across the top, and once more that is actual chunks of the shingles directly above that are coming away as we break those seals to access the nail track. Once again, we've got the same thing going down the bottom side. On the bottom, that's going to be chunks of shingle coming away on the shingles below. This shingle, we're going to have to break this seal to access these nails. So now we're going to see more material loss or material transfer on the row of shingles below that. Now we're breaking this seal to access these nails, and you're just going to see that material loss work its way all the way up and down the roof. Get our placement line up. Nice and even. granule loss every time we make contact again. This is a 15-year-old roof, so that is to be expected. Upper row, took 5 nails out of the top row. We'll be putting 5 back in. Sounds like a slot machine every time we make contact. Got me feeling lucky. I'm going to Shreveport. Two to go. Make sure there's no loose granules at the start of the video, but over the course of breaking seals and removing nails and lifting shingles up to put new nails in, we have created some granule loss. We'll come back up to the control shingle one more time, which we obviously haven't touched since the start of the video. And because we didn't have to mess with these at all, have to break seals, remove nails, lift shingles or anything, we have no granules. So, very similar to the back facet, between the granule loss, and material transfer, and the, once again, heavy delamination. This is another temporary